Hi, everyone. This is Michael with Rapidfire Two-Way Marketing. Just bringing you another video in our video series, Two-Way Marketing Pro Precision Drip Retargeting with Rapidfire. Speaking about our Rapidfire CRM system, again, rapidfirecrm.com will have a lot of information on not only our Rapidfire CRM. If you go to this link here, these links will be included, our link tree as well, which is HTTPS rapidfirecrm.com/link hyphen tree, or just rapidfirecrm.com/link hyphen tree. And I'll include these in the video description wherever you find this video so you can navigate to all the different areas. Rapidfirecrm.com, if you go to the features area, you could find out more about building your own brand alongside the brand, not just building the brand of the listing and auction sites, because this video series is mainly for the e-commerce companies with a national focus. So a national SEO plan is very good to consider to build your own brand. And also you get Rapidfire CRM free. Sometimes we run a special where we give our premium version. And again, watch our other videos. You'll see how you can get over $1,800 services, 7-day trial on any one of our plans, and get up to over $1,800 worth of services, depending on which plan level you get. You get a lot, all these different things here. Funneling systems themselves, $399 plus a month. Social media post planner, post all your social media accounts at once. Unlimited calendars, unlimited staff members, pipelining for cross-selling from firearms, maybe to training. Maybe you have an e-commerce focused business like our client will be using their demo account today. It's one of our SEO clients. They recently moved to Ammo Ready. We have them all integrated up, and they will be using a Orchid point of sale system. So we'll be linking up custom Zapier API connections there to capture all of their purchases into their CRM area, which was gone over in the last video. And we also have their forms embedded for lead capture of newsletters and their appraisal system, because they are doing search engine optimization and focusing on appraisals and collector firearm business, since that's an easier way to circumvent the mass amount of competition in the drop shipping business that are doing gun deals, listing, upselling, retargeting, with email marketing stuff, which is what this video series is about. It's about those listing and auction sites and really maximizing, and not just using like an email marketing system only and trying to tack on and connect to like a HubSpot or other CRM. And you're constantly band-aiding over time these services that your competitors are using. Why not have them all in one spot, right? And we'll go through all these in this precision drip retargeting with rapid fire video series. But today we'll be just going over the calendars, staff members, and a lot of this stuff is covered in onboarding on our onboarding courses about setting up staff members. If you're going to assign them bookable calendars, phone numbers, things of that nature. So we'll just sort of breeze through it, make this video pretty short and concise. But again, check out rapidfirecrm.com. Rapidfirecrm.com/link hyphen tree has all of the different things, all of our social media channels, and our free two-way guide, which really could help you set the stage in this 5-page, 5-step, we call it the 5 bullets of unleashing two-way marketing automation and really setting your site up for success. So definitely check that out. You click here and you can just download the free guide with a couple quick pieces of information. So again, we'll be using Ron's Guns here in this video, and they're one of our clients. This is, they gave us permission, fairly new client, haven't been with us for too long, but they're really loving their results, getting some SEO, positive SEO results, getting some appraisal requests, because that's one of their SEO focuses. About 70% of their key term resources are allocated to those. They're on a national premium SEO plan. And again, you can learn more about that at rapidfirecrm.com and just click the features area once you go to that link, and that will be included in the video section. But for when you're setting up, a lot of these CRMs, and I'm sure you're sick of it, you want to add a staff member, you might get so many, and then all of a sudden you're getting billed more and more. Unlimited staff members, right? Not only that, you can see here, one staff member is, handles all the social media management and things of that nature. And these 2 staff members are business owners. And then, we're there for support because we are running their search engine optimization plan with a couple other ancillary marketing services as well. Setting up, it's as easy as this. Just add employee, put their information in, logo, name, if logo is applicable, email, signature. You can give them permission. So if it's a staff member that doesn't need to have permissions to edit all these other things, you can restrict those, make them admin or a user. Admins have a lot more rights to edit things and change things at the admin level in the profile area, and so on and so forth. If they have their own phone number, it's easy. You just pick the phone number, right? And you can create those in the phone number section I'll go to in a minute, assign it, And then in the phone number section where you assign them to a number, you could actually have the number forward to their phone or call them on the app. We do have an app. We'll have another video on that too. The app is basically for being on the go, checking messages, review requests, and things of that nature. Is not made to do full invoicing, though you can do text to pay, and we'll have another video on that, which runs through Stripe. We have other high-risk merchant accounts that you can link up to through authorize.net, I mean. If you have a high-risk merchant account, we have NMI and authorize.net. And, you can configure their calendar and so on and so forth. Very simple. A lot of that's covered in onboarding. So if you go over here, right, and each staff member gets their own login. So you could have one person doing email marketing, one person monitoring the automated workflows, working on different things. One staff member might be, an owner. Well, you can have as many staff members as you need, and you can create calendars that are assigned to staff members or that are just separate calendars that can be shared with multiple people, class booking calendars for you firearm trainers. And we have other videos on our YouTube about how we have tons of pre-built automations that come with our Rapidfire 2A Rapidfire CRM system that benefit firearm training companies. Fully bookable calendars, payment systems, automatic responses for people that don't pay, removes them from the calendar if they don't. You could also use class booking calendars. We have other automated workflows that are pre-built and automation recipes that are pre-built that actually allow payments to be made in order to book on the calendar with class limit sizes. And you could assign firearm trainers to those calendars or assign whoever you'd like to assign, wherever you'd like to call those staff members. So tons of different stuff there. Unlimited calendars, like I mentioned. The last thing I wanted to mention is the phone numbers. So jumping over here, you can create our third-party phone system. Twilio, you can create as many phone numbers as you need. Each phone number has like a monthly cost. And then also you have so many credits, depending on if you get the $149 to $399 plan. We pass all our costs on. We don't do heavy markups on phone calls and stuff, but it is a third-party system. So you get 10 up to 50 credits a month, which is quite a bit for phone calls, email marketing, and even AI content generation and automatic AI appointment booking and responses to the Google My Business reviews area, where you can manage all your reviews in one area. We'll have other videos on that, but you get so many credits that can be used towards that. And then you're passed on the additional cost. But that's how it works with many platforms, and ours, we definitely aren't sitting there gouging you on our third party, phone and text cost. So simple to add a number, add phone number, right? You could pick the phone number, choose your area code, right? And then you could just add it. I'm not going to go through this process. I'm just going to show you that if I go to edit configuration, right? You could choose, a whisper message. If somebody calls, it could basically say, hey, please hold for blah, 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 or, and then it will basically, you can set it up to call you, and then it will say, press any key to connect. And then it connects with that other person. So it's very streamlined, very professional. And each staff member could be assigned a phone if you choose to have that, or select staff members. And you could set up in basically a voicemail for each staff member to have, a professional digital MP3 that you upload, or you could record it and upload it too. But tons of stuff. Digital Media is our parent entity. Rapidfire 2A Marketing is the subsidiary of Digital Media, a 15+ year company focusing on search engine optimization. We have proprietary AI systems for helping identify search engine optimization terms that are highly valuable, low competition and trending, or high volume key terms. And we've incorporated those into two-way focus SEO plans. And you can get Rapidfire free or start it standalone and replace that MailChimp, replace those systems that are all disconnected to really take your map selling to the next level, expand and scale your business properly with unlimited staff members, unlimited calendars, create phone numbers for staff members. The list goes on. We'll have other videos in this series, the Two-Way Marketing Pro, Precision Drip Marketing with Rapidfire video series by Rapidfire 2A Marketing. Hope you enjoyed. And, slam that like button, follow. We'll have a lot more coming your way in this video series. I'll try to keep them short. Sometimes it's hard to do. But again, it's Michael, Rapidfire 2A Marketing. And this video was on calendars, staff members, and as well as, talking about phone numbers and how simple it is to add. Thank you, and stay safe out there.